Hello. Here are some simple, everyday English conversations. Let's start. At the bus stop. Hi, excuse me, is this the stop for downtown?
Yes, it is. You're good.
Oh, thank you. I was worried I was on the wrong side of the street.
That happens. Are you taking the bus for the first time?
Yes, I don't usually use buses.
No problem. It's simple. The bus comes about every 15 minutes.
Okay, do you know how long the ride is?
Around 20 minutes. Maybe more if traffic is heavy.
I'm meeting a friend for lunch, so I hope it's not late.
Even if it's a little late, most people understand.
True. I'm just trying to be on time.
That's a good habit. Do you have a bus card, or will you pay cash?
I have a card. I bought it yesterday.
Perfect. When the bus comes, just tap it.
Great. Thanks for explaining.
You're welcome. Oh, here it comes now.
Yes. Okay, let's go.
After you.
Talking about a bad day.
What a terrible day.
What happened?
Everything went wrong. First, I overslept and missed my alarm.
Oh no.
Then I spilled coffee all over my shirt. Ugh.
That's the worst.
And then I got stuck in traffic for an hour.
Sounds like a Monday.
It's Wednesday.
Well, at least you're here now.
Yeah, but then my boss yelled at me for being late.
That's not fair. It wasn't your fault.
I know, but he doesn't care.
I'm sorry. That really sucks.
I just want to go home and sleep.
Why don't you take a break? Get some fresh air.
That's actually a good idea.
Come on, let's get coffee. My treat.
Really?
Yeah, you need it after today.
You're the best. Thank you.
That's what friends do. At the airport check-in counter. Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight.
Good morning. Sure. May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to Los Angeles.
Is Los Angeles your final destination?
Yes, it is.
Do you have any bags to check today?
Yes, just one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Okay. Is it under the weight limit?
Yes, it's fine.
That's a relief. I was a bit worried.
Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
No problem. I've assigned that for you.
Thank you. What time does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 9:30 at gate 24.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
Checking into a hotel late at night. Hi, good evening. I have a reservation under Sarch Lee.
Good evening. Welcome. Let me check that for you.
Thank you. I just arrived and I'm pretty tired.
I understand. Traveling can be exhausting. Yes, I see your booking.
That's great.
May I see your ID, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. You'll be staying for 2 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Would you like a quiet room away from the elevator?
Yes, please. That would be nice.
No problem. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10.
Okay, I might sleep in tomorrow.
That's totally fine. Checkout is at 11.
Perfect.
Here is your key card. The elevator is on your right.
Thank you. Is there anywhere nearby to buy water?
Yes, there's a small store across the street.
Good to know. Thanks for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a good rest.
I definitely will. Good night. Asking to borrow something. Hey, Alex, can I ask you a favor?
Sure, what's up?
Can I borrow your car tomorrow?
My car? What happened to yours?
It's in the shop. Won't be ready until Friday.
Oh no, what's wrong with it?
Something with the transmission. It's going to cost a fortune.
That sucks. Yeah, you can borrow mine.
Really? Thank you so much.
No problem. What time do you need it?
Around 9? I have a meeting at 10.
That works. I work from home tomorrow anyway.
You're a lifesaver. I'll fill up the gas tank.
Don't worry about it.
No, I insist. It's the least I can do.
Okay, if you want to.
I'll bring it back by 5.
Take your time. Just drive safely.
I will. Thank you again.
Anytime.
Small talk with a coworker.
Good morning. How was your weekend?
It was okay. Pretty relaxing, actually. Yours?
Busy. I had to help my brother move.
Oh no. Moving is the worst.
Tell me about it. My back still hurts.
I bet. Did he move far?
Not too far, just across town, but he has so much stuff.
Don't they always? When I moved last year, I couldn't believe how much I had.
Exactly. Anyway, how's that project going?
Slowly. The client keeps changing their mind.
That's frustrating. Need any help?
Actually, yes. Could you look at the design leader?
Sure. I have time this afternoon.
Perfect. I'll send you the files.
Sounds good. I need more coffee first, though.
Me too. Let's go together.
Good idea.
Deciding what to eat.
I'm starving. What should we eat?
I don't know. What are you in the mood for?
Anything. I'm so hungry I could eat a horse.
Okay. Chinese, Mexican, Italian?
We had Chinese last week.
True. Mexican sounds good to me.
But I had tacos yesterday for lunch.
Alex, you need to pick something.
Sorry. Italian then?
Finally, pizza or pasta?
Pizza with extra cheese.
Sounds perfect. Which place?
That new place on Main Street? I heard it's really good.
Wow, my friend went there. She loved it.
Great. Should we get delivery or go there?
It's raining. Let's just get delivery.
Good call. I'll order on my phone.
Get a large pizza and garlic bread.
You read my mind.
And don't forget the extra cheese.
Never.
Giving advice to a friend?
I don't know what to do.
What's going on?
My roommate is driving me crazy.
Still? What's he doing now?
He never cleans. The apartment is a mess.
Have you talked to him about it?
I tried, but he just ignores me.
Maybe you need to be more direct.
I don't want to start a fight.
You don't have to fight. Just be honest.
I guess... What should I say?
Tell him exactly how you feel. Use I statements.
I statements?
Like, I feel frustrated when the kitchen is messy.
Oh, that makes sense.
And suggest a cleaning schedule. Make it fair.
You think that'll work?
It's worth a try. Communication is key.
You're right. I'll talk to him tonight.
Good luck. Let me know how it goes.
Thanks, I will.
You got this. Renting a car. Hi, I'm here to rent a car.
Hello. Sure. Do you have a reservation with us today?
Yes, I do. It should be under the name Sarch Lee.
Let me check. Yes, I see it here.
Great. This is my first time renting a car, so I have a few questions.
That's totally fine. I'm happy to explain everything.
Thanks. Well, what kind of car will I be getting?
You reserved a small economy car. It's easy to drive and good on gas.
That sounds perfect. I'll mostly be driving in the city.
Then this is a good choice. Will you be the only driver?
Yes, just me.
Okay. Would you like to add insurance coverage?
Yes, I think that would make me feel safer.
No problem. I'll add basic coverage.
Thank you. How long is the rental period?
3 days. Please return the car by noon on Friday.
Got it. Where do I pick up the car?
It's parked outside in row C. I'll mark it on this map.
That helps a lot.
Here are the keys and the contract. Please check for any damage before driving.
I will. Thanks for explaining everything so clearly.
You're welcome. Drive safely and enjoy your trip.
Thank you. I will. At the pharmacy. Hi, I'm here to pick up a prescription.
Sure. May I have your full name and date of birth, please?
Yes, it's Sarah Green, June 12th, 1990.
Thank you. Okay, I have it right here.
Great. I was a little worried it might not be ready.
No worries, it was prepared earlier today.
That's good to hear. This is a new medicine for me.
I understand. Let me explain how to take it.
Please, that would help.
You should take one pill once a day, preferably in the morning.
Morning. Okay. Should I take it with food?
Yes, it's best to take it after breakfast.
All right. Are there any side effects I should know about?
You might feel a little tired during the first few days.
Okay. I'll watch out for that.
If you feel very uncomfortable, contact your doctor.
I will. Can I drive after taking it?
Most people can, but see how your body reacts first.
That makes sense.
Do you have any other questions?
No, I think that's clear now.
Great. Here is your medicine and the information sheet.
Thank you for taking the time to explain everything.
You're very welcome. Take care.
Thanks. Have a nice day.